Your nervous system and emotions also go hand in hand, because whenever you like feel annoyed, that's why we say like you're getting on my nerves, because you're like agitating my nervous system. Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Shayla, and today's video is going to be all about how your feeling is the secret to manifesting your desires. So I wanted to do this video because I feel like once I really tapped into feeling what it felt like to have it is when I would manifest my desires. So make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell to be notified anytime I post a video. And without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing you need to know in regards to manifesting your desires and using your feelings to create what you want in your life is to know that your emotions are energy in motion. So I like to think of it as the emotional scale, which is where everybody's operating at a different frequency. So whatever emotion you are outputting is the relevance of your frequency or vibration. So I'm going to put the picture here of the emotional scale. When I was reading the book Ask and It Is Given, there was about 23 of them. This is not the same, but it's very similar. So if you're operating out of love, happiness, joy, appreciation, gratitude, then you're probably going to be at a higher frequency than if you're operating from fear, guilt, shame, lack, doubt, all of those negative emotions. You're probably going to be in a lower vibration, and as a result, you're probably not going to be a match towards your desires or your dream life. So understanding your emotions is key, and I know you cannot be happy 24/7. Like, we're humans, we perceive things every day in our reality, and obviously we have to feel our emotions. Once you understand that, you can try to maintain a happier and a more elated vibration. So you can just do more things to keep you happy, do things that make you feel good in yourself, do routines, self-care, self-love practices, and also feel as if you have that thing. Because let's say you're manifesting something, how would you feel in this exact moment if you had it? You'd probably be super happy. You'd probably be jumping up and down, bouncing off the walls, etc. So really feeling into your emotions of having that thing, and knowing that your emotions create the energy towards your manifestation, which will bring that to you. I'll give you guys a little example. When I was manifesting a booking with my agency because I wanted to be in the limo for the showcase, I was just telling myself and just like feeling exactly what it felt like to have gotten the booking. So I did this for about, it was maybe a week and a half. This stuff works really quickly. So every time I would think about it, I'd be like, oh my God, I'm booked, like, yay. Anytime I got an email from my agent about something else or something in regards to the showcase, like, yay, like, I'm so excited to be in the limo, like, I can't wait. Even when I was driving, I would be like listening to manifestation podcasts and thinking, oh my gosh, I just remembered I just booked that thing, like, oh my God, yay. So it's a little bit of delusion, but within like a week and a half, as I said, of doing this, I manifested. I got the email from her super late at night, and I had the exact emotion that I was feeling while manifesting, and I was jumping up and down, I was bouncing off the walls, I was just running around the house, like, it was just all those emotions. And so when you really tap into feeling that emotion and knowing that your emotions are creating, you know, your vibration, and your vibration and frequency are matching you towards your desires, it becomes so much easier for you. The second thing you need to understand in regards to feeling your way towards your manifestations and your desires is that you need to regulate your nervous system. Now, I didn't know too much about this in the beginning, but I've kind of learned more about it, and I realized how important it is to regulate our nervous system. Our nervous system rules over our emotions, basically, and how we're feeling. So if you're feeling, you know, scared, you probably just kind of get like chills all over your body, or you get that pit in your stomach. Whereas if you're feeling happy, you know, your nervous system is like super excited, like you're just super happy, joyful, etc. And if you are, for example, manifesting something that you have a lot of resistance to, which is like, for example, maybe you struggle with money. If you're trying to manifest more money, but you're having resistance towards it, like you get scared when you check your bank account, you hate paying your bills, you are always stressed whenever you have to spend money on certain things, then if you are regulating your nervous system by doing certain practices such as breath work, EFT tapping, even a walk, a workout, an ice bath, ice plunge, or a facial, etc. Doing those things on a consistent basis can help you be more aware when you're getting back into your triggers or you're getting really stressed about your current circumstances, because your circumstances okay, because your circumstances do not matter. So whatever it is you're trying to manifest, you don't have to worry about your current reality. And so regulating your nervous system can really help with that, which is why I make nervous system regulation a part of my day-to-day routine. One of my favorite ways to do this is through EFT tapping, but also movement too. I notice that a lot of the time when I'm just focused on myself, I'm like, you know, resting, relaxing, doing stuff that like is self-care to me, which is like going to the gym, hitting the pool, going in the sauna. And then EFT tapping, breath work as well is really good for me to just tap into like, okay, you know what, it's okay. Everything is okay, and not stress about my circumstances or what is not working for me. I will probably do a video more on nervous system regulation, but those are some of my favorite ways to help me regulate my nervous system. Your nervous system and emotions also go hand in hand, because whenever you like feel annoyed, that's why we say like you're getting on my nerves, because you're like agitating my nervous system. So when you are aware of your nervous system and your emotions, you can literally consciously create your reality. You can understand your triggers and be more aware, and then be just a magnet to your desires, because you have regulated your emotions and your triggers and that resistance towards your desire. And last but certainly not least, in feeling your way to your manifestations, is to persist in the emotions of having your desire. So as I said in the beginning, when I was manifesting my booking, I had literally so much doubt about this, because I was like, I had only one photo shoot done. I was just a few months into the agency. Like, no one's gonna want to book me, like I'm so new. But I just kind of let go of that, and I just persisted in like, I'm booked. Like, I don't know how, but I'm booked. I felt the emotions as if my agent had just emailed me the booking. Every time I thought about it, every time I had doubts about it, I persisted in the emotion of having that thing. And when you persist in that in your day-to-day life, it can be random. It can be before you go to bed. It can be anytime you think of it. It can be anytime you get something in relation to it. It could be like, that could be a sign, and then you think about that thing, you're like, oh my gosh, like I'm booked, or I'm getting the thing that I want. And then by doing that constantly and persisting in that, which is just like doing it consistently, it will come into your reality. Like, just persist with it. Persist with the emotions of having it. Don't stress about the when it's coming or the how it's coming. Just know that it's coming to you, and I promise you it will come to you in due time, and it'll be in the best way possible when you least expect it. So just persist in that emotions, and it will come to you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. It really helps me. And let me know down below what kind of videos you want to see from me. I love taking video requests, so comment those down below. If you guys want to dive deeper into mindset and manifestation work, I have my mindset and manifestation workshop, which will be linked down below for you guys if you want to dive deeper into this stuff. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!